sympathize with her. Okay.
Hello, sir. Good morning.
Yes.
About the subconscious mind.
Yes.
If information gets there, it's very, very difficult for it to come out.
Yes.
But does it mean that the kingdom council can take those bad information out from the subconscious?
Very, very perfect. Let me tell you, another way to clean a tank that is dirty is to put water continuously. The dirty water inside will come out. That's another way to clean a dirty tank that is huge. Fill it continuously, it will bring the dirt out. Just get an outlet, it will go out. So also, if the subconscious mind has loaded information that is garbage, in other words, it's old, you don't want it anymore, that is why you need to listen to the videos we are talking about. What I have said, I have so many videos on the internet. Make time and listen to it over and over in your car, in your kitchen, in your bedroom. Continuously, it will push down all the garbage out. It will overpower all the old things you have. I have done that. In fact, the videos I study from, such as my professor, late Dr. Miles, some of his videos I've listened to it over 500 times, one single video. That will tell you how serious I want to learn. If you are also serious, that's what you must do. Because after all, in this world, what information else is good? Nothing. Because of the studies I have done. Anyway, just give me a platform. Everybody will want to follow to listen to me. I'm telling you, it is difficult to get a platform because the devil is threatened by me. Yes, he's threatened, so he makes sure I don't get platforms. Because he knows when I get platform, people will look for me. And then that is how I can deliver people from the bondage of the devil. Let me tell you, the devil's success, the devil's operation, the devil's greatest tool over humankind is ignorance. It is only when man is ignorant, when I say man, I mean a man and a woman, because the word man belongs to the species human. Isha, ish, that's the Greek word. So any man can be controlled by the devil, it is because you are ignorant. That is why Jesus said, for a lack of knowledge, my people perish. So if I were you, I would learn this kingdom crazily. Because let me tell you, they asked Jesus Christ, what will we benefit from wasting our time and learning this kingdom? He said, you will get 100-fold in this world, in the next world, and forever. 3 levels. Let me tell you, a time is coming in our generation. Anybody that knows this concept of the kingdom, you'll be a great person. Because that is what the world needs, and that is what will save the world, and that is what the world will be controlled by. Forget of everything that is going on. They will be made useless. Because the Bible says what has been is what will be, what has been done is what will be done. Nothing new. It has happened before. It's not like God is talking about something that is not possible. It has happened before. It can happen again. So I advise you to learn this concept. If I were you, some of you look at the young people roaming about, they have finished university, they don't have job. Let me tell you, the best job is to learn the concept of the kingdom. Forget everything. You will prove me wrong and we will see. I will prove you right. Because I know what I'm talking about. I know how God is going to use this to invade the whole world. That is why it is the only thing that can determine the end. Hey, look at this whole world, this complex world. A message can end it. Aramakado. The world with all its political power, intellectual knowledge, scientific knowledge, inventional knowledge, discovery knowledge, the miracles of all the miracles that you can talk about, all the intercontinental ballistic missiles, this message will end everything.
Yes.
So it means It is the best information every human being needs. Yes. I'm telling you a secret. If you don't take it, a time is coming, I will not be there to tell you again. Because God will take me somewhere and those people will want this message. Amen. Amen. I hope I'm clear with your question. Yes, next question, if there's any. I've gone so deep about this question, and it's a good question. Yes, so to easily get things all out, you just need a continuous feeding. And I wonder whether somebody can tell me, when I listen to your videos, I'm not interested or I'm not happy. No. You can see that you are learning something you have never had in life. I'm not boasting. I am telling you the truth. Because I don't speak until I have learned and studied. Because I'm careful to speak for people to challenge me. So I always make sure I speak after I have learned and mastered. Okay? Yes, next question if there's any. Yes, anybody? Feel free to ask your questions. So that some people call me from outside the country, said, oh, Prophet, we didn't get the question and answers. I said, okay, we'll get them to you. That means your questions help other people. So ask questions. If you don't ask questions, I don't know what you want. Yes, any question? Okay. It is 11:51. If there's no question, then we want to end it up here. If you want to support this wedding course, you can prepare yourself and then send your support. We will welcome it. And then we'll bring this meeting to a close. And then we will look up tomorrow. Another opportunity is coming for us to also come back here and learn. So please, let's send our background. Those who want to put any help, they can go ahead. God richly bless you.